How to change country or region in Google Play Store. What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change country or region on Play Store. For that, you first have to open up Play Store application, and then from here you can tap on your profile icon at the top. And once you tap on your profile, first thing you're going to have to do is head over to payment and subscription, because that is where you can control your country or region based on your payment method. So what happens is if you tap on the payment methods, here if you've added a payment method or any payment method, it would be shown, your country will be shown according to that. So just tap on more payment settings. And once you have done that, you'll be taken to a separate browser where you're able to change your payment methods on Google. So if you haven't added any payment method, you can directly add a payment method here. Just tap on it. And once you tap on add a payment method here, you should be able to add your card number, your card details with the CVC code. And here on billing address, here you should be able to change your region. So just make sure that when you set up that region, you change it to whichever country you like. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.